Hi, welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 3 Episode 4. In this video, I'm going to share with you a hot plate tofu recipe. Sizzling silky tofu with minced meat gravy served in a hot plate not only looks impressive but tastes absolutely delicious. It gives you that satisfying warm and fuzzy feeling on each and every mouthful. Hot plate tofu is a popular and well-loved dish that is commonly served in many restaurants in Singapore and Malaysia. Many may think that this dish is quite difficult to prepare, particularly to achieve beautiful deep-fried tofu. With the correct technique, it is actually an easy dish that anyone can cook at home. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this hot plate tofu recipe. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!